Hey everyone, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. If you are watching the replay, thank you for watching the replay. We're going to get all set up here to do our sign that I posted earlier. So let me get my screens all set up. Hey, how are you guys? Welcome. If you are watching live, please make sure you say hello. I like to see when people come in and watch me live. Again, I'm Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, and what I'm going to share with you today is something I posted earlier. We're going to be doing a sign today on a piece of wood. Now this wood that I have right here, this is just a basic piece of wood that we had scrap in the garage, honestly, from my husband doing something. I don't remember what he was doing. So all I did was stain it with a dark walnut wood. And then what I like to do when I do a wooden project, if it's something I'm staining myself, is I like that antique weathered look. So I just take a sander and I kind of hit my edges. So I don't know if you can kind of see that. You see how like I sand my edge corners off to get it that weathered look. And then I have the perfect piece of wood that I'm going to chalk on today. So I'm going to be using, this one is called Home. So I'm going to be using our home transfer from Chalk Couture. And for those of you that are new, that are watching, first off, I want to say welcome. What Chalk Couture is Chalk Couture is it's a revolutionary concept in home decor and crafting, and you're not going to find this anywhere else, which is really, really cool. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology Chalk Paste, which is what I'm going to be using today. We also have our Couture inks. And when I talk about Couture inks, and I have done other videos and projects, so if you want to check out some of my other videos, you can see that. But our inks are a permanent ink that you can use on like t-shirts, pillows, dish towels, and many, many other surfaces as well. And then we also have a line of surfaces that we offer, such as chalkboards, box frame wooden boards. We have pillowcases, banners, so a lot of different things that we offer through Chalk Couture. Hey Jackie, welcome. Thanks for watching. And then the really great thing that we offer at Chalk Couture is a ground floor amazing opportunity for somebody to have their own business for just $99. So if you'd love to learn more once you see what this is about, if you're new and watching, please reach out to me, comment info or me below. I will send you a friend request and we'll get you some of that information. All right, so let's get back to our chalking. So like I said, this is going to be our home transfers. Now, if at any time that you are interested in purchasing products, you honestly can purchase products right through my website, which is chalkinwithjen.com. The transfers right on the back of them have the directions for you. So it's going to talk to you about how to use and care for the transfers. Because like I mentioned, all of our transfers are reusable, and you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. So it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do for that. So just tossing that in the garbage and let's get started. So this one, you've got two options here. So you can do the word home or you could do the word family, and then it has the definitions. So today we're going to stick with the word home. So all I'm going to do is cut my transfer, and there are lines right in there. I'm sure you guys can see that tell you where to cut. And the beauty of that, truthfully, is with Chalk Couture products, you can mix and match transfers, which is really, really cool. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I drank a diet soda. I apologize. Before I came on air with you. Hi, Ashley. How are ya? Going live today, doing a simple design. This, we are only going to use one of the chalk paste colors for this design because, again, I kind of just want it to be simple. So if you have like country decor, if you have a farmhouse decor, and truthfully, even if you had a contemporary decor, this is a great sign that you could place right in your home. So it says home, a place where you can rest your head and your heart and everything feels safe. The place where the people you care about live, where you are not alone. So how sweet is that? You know what? Just throwing this out there. If you are a realtor or if you know somebody that's just purchasing a new home, how great of a gift would this be? and you can give it to them yourself, right? Super cool. Hey, Nikki, how are you? Welcome. Thanks for watching. All right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to write on the back of my transfers, because these are called carrier sheets, and I want to make sure that I put my transfers back on the carrier sheet when I'm done. So, look, I can't do two things at one time. I am not that good. All right, so I think I'm going to put that there. And like I said, this is going to go up here in the corner. So I'm going to place this one down first. So now, since this is a larger transfer, when I'm doing that, what I like to do, now sometimes it's hard to get them off at first. So what I do is I kind of take my finger over the edge to try to get it to peel up. I place my transfer face down, I put my fingers on the end, and I peel the carrier sheet off that way. With the larger transfers, it just seems an easier way to do it. Now this one, I don't know if you can hear that. This is actually really sticky. So what I want to do is fuzz up my transfer. Just taking a terry cloth towel, I'm going to place my transfer right on there. And really the reason I'm doing this is because it is super, super sticky, and I just want to make sure it's easy for me to get it off of my surface. So I've got some fuzz on the back, and then I'm just removing it, and then I'm going to place it exactly where I want it on this board. Now, where you can see the words, that is all silkscreen. Now, let me tell you, if you want to, and you are perfect, you have OCD, believe me, I get it, you can measure this out. I'm just going with my heart and putting it where I think I want it, and then I'm smoothing it out so that there are no air bubbles within this silkscreen area. Okay, so this is all silkscreen with here. The outside edges doesn't matter, so I'm just smoothing that out so there are no bubbles in there. I'm going to take my chalk paste, and this is a new one. This one is called Fresh Linen, and I thought it would be a nice basic color for this design. Now our chalk paste comes in a 3-ounce jar. The chalk paste can last anywhere from 1 year if it's unopened, and then if it's open, it lasts up to 6 months. There we go, I got it. So I'm just going to remove that right from there. And I'll clean it up a little bit later. Now this is a new jar of chalk paste. So what I want to do, you see how it kind of looks chunky? I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. And these are just little stirs. These are actually makeup stirrers. Stirrers. Yeah, good language, Jen. Stirs. And you want this to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. So for me, truthfully, this is kind of thick for me. So I'm just going to add some water to it. Now our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So it goes on as the liquid and it dries as the solid. And for those of you who are watching, probably hear me say that over and over again, and I'm sorry. But just in case we have anyone new watching, I just want them to know what Chalk Couture is all about. This chalk paste is only made in-house through Chalk Couture. So you're not going to be able to get this anywhere else but through us. So it's super awesome. And like I said in the beginning of the video when I was talking about Chalk Couture, this is a home party plan business opportunity. So you can run this where you can do sip and chalks or make and takes. And oh gosh, so like Ashley and Nikki, one of the new girls on our team named Dale, who is just a darling woman, she came up with Chalk and Chat. How cute is that? A Chalk and Chat. I want to have a Chalk and Chat party. So if you're local to me, I would love to do Chalk and Chat parties with you. But if you don't want to run your business that way, you absolutely don't have to. You can just create beautiful designs and sell them at local vendor shows. You can sell them on Etsy. So if you have that craft blog or you know somebody that has that craft blog, please, if you don't mind, if you would want to share this video, if you think this is just a really cool concept, I greatly appreciate it. In the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button, or if you're on YouTube, you can subscribe to my channel as well, and you can see all the fun, beautiful things we'll be creating with Chalk Couture. All right, so all I did was I just took some chalk paste out of my jar. I put it on my area. Now, I definitely have way too much on here, I think. Aw, thanks, Nikki. And I'm going to be using our angled squeegee. So I'm just taking it and I'm applying pressure to that silkscreen area. Yeah, I got way too much on there. And I am pulling the chalk paste across that silkscreen area because I want it to go right into that silkscreen area. So now that you know that it's silkscreen, because I've said it 4 times. Woo. Hot mess day for Jen. It's all good. Now I'm talking about myself in the live, in the third person on live TV, live Facebook. But you know, and Jackie, if you're still watching, you probably can contest to this. I don't know if you remember. I used to always say I always wanted to be a QVC host. So this is like super awesome that I get to be on video and talk and do it because I always wanted to. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get our transfer. I'm going to pull from left to right because you never want to pull corner to corner. And I'm going to remove that transfer to show my beautiful result of my words. How awesome is that? Anybody can do this, you guys. Now, what I've done is I have a tub of water, just a little tub of water off to the side, and I put my transfer right in there because I'm going to clean it up later with water and a Clorox wipe. So look at that. Look how awesome that turned out. Don't you love it? And see how easy that was? Super easy, you guys. Super easy. All right. So now I'm going to take my word home. The only thing I want to make sure is that is dry. So, sorry I am out of the screen here for 1 second. Uh-oh. Matthew Robert! He took my extension cord. So I can't use my hairdryer. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Because I don't have my extension cord for my hairdryer. Okay, it works, right? It totally works. So it shouldn't take that long to dry. I think we're good. All right, so again, I'm just going to remove my transfer from the backing. I'm going to place this like right up here in the corner. Making sure I get it straight as much as I can. Smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles in that silkscreen area. And by the way, you guys, I don't know if you can see my t-shirt for Chalk Couture. I made that using our inks, so super cool. Gonna get the more chalk paste, place it right on top of here. Getting my squeegee back out, pulling it over there, and like I said, you can go up or down, side to side, doesn't matter. You just want to get that chalk paste in that silkscreen area. You want to apply pressure, scrape off any excess, and put it right back in your jar. You guys, this is so easy. Anybody can do this, I am telling you. So if you want to learn more, please reach out to me, as I would love to share that with you, whether it be hosting a sip and chalk or chalk and chat, which is super awesome. Or if you want to learn more about the opportunity, because it is a true ground floor opportunity and it has been absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. Right? Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, that looks so awesome. And that's it. I have a cute, simple little sign. Like I said, how great would this be for somebody just moving into a home, a brand new home, somebody getting married and they're buying a home? Right, Nikki? You gotta love boys. He took my extension cord. He's probably charging his iPad. Play Fortnite, something. But super cute design, super easy. Like I said, this was just a basic piece of wood that I had in my garage. I stained it. I kind of made it look weather with sandpaper. So nothing crazy that you need to do to create these beautiful products. If you want to learn more, like I said, or purchase products, chalkandwithjen.com is my website. I thank you guys so much for watching me. And again, if you love it, please make sure you share the video and give me some hearts and thumbs up, you guys. Thanks, Trisha, for the heart. I hope you really love the design. So happy chalking, you guys. I will see you in a day or two for some more fun, crafty videos.